October 4th, and today we're talking about the impact on children. Many people think as long as their kids are not being abused, that they are not getting hurt by being in a household with domestic violence. Nothing could be further from the truth. Children who witness domestic violence are deeply impacted, even if they're not physically harmed. Studies show higher risks of anxiety, depression, and difficulties in school. In fact, these negative impacts are often the same as if a child was being directly physically abused. Exposure to family violence is taken pretty seriously in Texas courts. Family Code Section 153.004 allows judges to limit custody or visitation if family violence has occurred. The law's priority is the child's safety and emotional well-being. Of course, we do still have a lot of archaic judges in the state who think that access to a child is a parent's right, which means it's really important to get the right legal help to make sure that these laws are being applied fairly and protecting your kids. Protecting yourself protects your children, and that's really important to know. It's especially important in scenarios where you may have a stepchild, particularly a stepson, in a household with an abusive father. Teen boys who commit murder are overwhelmingly more likely to be killing an abusive stepdad than any other group of people. And when I talk about an abusive stepdad, I'm talking about an abusive stepdad abusing mom, not abusing the kids. Kids take the responsibility for protecting parents on themselves, which is why it's so important for parents to take the responsibility to protect kids in violent homes, even if they're not the direct victims of violence. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about financial abuse. We'll see you then.